This video is not sponsored or affiliated with a particular brand of the sketchbook. All the points which I mentioned regarding the product is my personal views on it. Link to buy the sketchbook is in the description box below, so you can check it out. Thank you so much and continue watching the video.
Like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, so in today's video we're gonna unbox and review a sketchbook which I received recently. So let's do a magic. So here is a package and I bought this sketchbook from Flipkart, and I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box below. So let's open it. So it had an offer of buy one sketchbook and get one free, so I used this offer. And yeah, let's now talk about the quality. So as you open the sketchbook, you see the paper is kinda a bit of good quality. The normal paper which you see is a 120 GSM and it is 160, so I guess it's far better. And you can do a lot of mediums on this. You can use pencil, pen, watercolors, oil pastel, acrylic, gouache, whatever medium you want to use. And also, if you see on the top of this sketchbook near the spiral, you see this kind of crease, a ready-made one. So if you are if you want the sheet separate from the sketchbook, then you can use scissors or cutter and separate it easily. Also, I kinda like the cover of both these sketchbooks so much, like those cute florals and stuff. And Artist Pro series is not a big thing, I guess. I don't think so. There's no need of hiding this thing. Instead, it gives a good feel, when you read it. So as I said, you can try many mediums on this, and this sketchbook is of A5 size, and I guess there are more sizes of this. You can do mixed collages, acrylic, gouache, watercolor, pen, pencil. It's also of heavy weight, it's acid free, and each sketchbook contains 50 pages, so this sketchbook can last you for a longer time. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please make sure to give us a big thumbs up, share it with your family, friends and loved ones, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you click that bell icon too. And I hope this review video was helpful for you, and I'm gonna share my first painting on this super soon. And please rate the video, share your opinion on this in the comment section down below. And if you have any suggestions for my upcoming videos, or any feedback, queries, or anything you feel like I should improve, then please let me know that in the comment section down below. And I guess you guys should try this sketchbook out very soon, and I'll leave the link of the company in the description box. So peace, signing out, bye. Hey, thanks for watching this video fully. Please make sure you subscribe and watch this video too. Have a great day. Peace.